What's the meaning of complaint? Complaint. Complaint.
Complaint. Complaint. A complaint refers to an expression of dissatisfaction or annoyance regarding a particular situation or person. It can take various forms such as verbal, written, or electronic, and may pertain to different areas such as products, services, behavior, or policies. The result of a complaint can range from a simple acknowledgement of the issue to a formal investigation or legal action, depending on the severity and validity of the complaint. Addressing complaints promptly and effectively can be crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction, trust, and loyalty, as well as avoiding potential reputational and financial damages.